Every great electronics project starts with the basics, and today we're building something classic, essential, and incredibly satisfying. Welcome back to Desk Tech. In this video, we're diving into Tinkercad to build a fully functional Arduino traffic light system using just a, b- three LEDs, a breadboard, and a few simple lines of code. No hardware required, no risk of burning out components, just pure simulation. Let's get right into it. First, we'll open Chrome or any browser and we'll open Tinkercad. Search for tinkercad.com, and if you don't have an account, please log in and we'll create a circuit. First, let's grab our components. Drag an Arduino Uno and a standard breadboard onto the screen. Next, grab three LEDs and line them up. Change the colors to match a real signal: red, yellow, and green. So we'll take the LED. So don't worry, just grab three and put it onto the breadboard. So now we got three LEDs. Now we'll change this color to red. So it is already red, and we'll change this to yellow, and we'll change this to green. Remember, LEDs have a right and a wrong way to connect. The straight leg is the negative side, which goes to the ground rail. The bent leg is the positive side, which gets the power. To keep things safe, we'll drop in three 220 ohm resistors, linking the negative side straight to the ground. And now we'll change it to 220 ohms. Now let's wire up the control lines. Connect the red LED to digital pin 13. Yellow to pin 12. And green to pin 11. Hardware is done. Time for the logic. Switch your Tinkercad code editor over to text mode. So actually we'll just do it in blocks mode. First we'll grab the forever block so it continues forever, and then we'll drag the set pin 0 to high and then wait 1 second. So we'll duplicate this and put it again. So now we'll change so we've connected the red to 13, 12 and 11. So we'll go from 13. So we'll select both to 13 and high and then low. Then this to 12. So then it's the same. And we'll connect the third to 11. We select the third to 11. And now the core is done. But we still have the negative terminal connection. So we'll grab this D and D to here. I just connected it like this to the resistor. And now we'll test it out and we'll start the simulation. And see here, you can see that the LEDs are blinking one by one. This is the exact logic real world traffic lights use. Scale down into a clean digital workspace. Drop a comment below if your simulation worked on the first try. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. If you want this project's code in text, like you can just go here and select blocks plus text and you can like do the code. And if it's complex, you can just copy my code that I gave you in the link in the description. It's in GitHub. You can just copy paste into this section. You have to select all and just copy paste. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.